Hi, greetings from Singapore. My name is Pogi. I'm a senior lecturer with Nanyang Polytechnic. Today, I will be presenting to you the paper titled Project-Based Learning for Aerospace Engineering Education. In 2014, Nanyang Polytechnic embarked on a 4-year project-based learning journey for our aerospace students. The theme of the project was to build a full-size 2-seater functional plane. Over the span of 4 years, 34 students participated directly in building the structure, the power plant, and the systems of the aircraft. In addition to building the airplane, several students used blueprint of the airplane and the component to develop 3D printing, 3D computer-aided design, and the development of augmented reality contents. Project-based learning emphasizes the importance of the project as the central vehicle of instruction and the students as active participants. Students get to learn the important concepts of the discipline via the project. I will share on each of the following 4 elements of this project in subsequent slides. Project-based learning advocates for a more student-centric and experiential approach to education through active exploration of the real-world challenges. Building a plane is relevant to aerospace students, and the airplane model is carefully selected because it is a proven design by Zenith Aircraft Company in USA, and it is an approved design by the Federal Aviation Administration as an amateur-built aircraft. The project requires the application of knowledge and competency gained in earlier years of study. Prior to building the plane, domain knowledge such as aircraft structures, aircraft system, propulsion, maintenance practices, computer-aided design, and engineering drawing were taught in the students' first year and second year of study. Publicly presented project. Past and present students were invited back from their place of work in 2018 at a launch event. The invited audience included experts from the industry, Institute of Higher Learning, and news agencies. Students were interviewed on what they have gained in terms of knowledge and skills, and to share their passion and their pride. Project-based learning is an innovative approach to learning that teaches a multitude of skills critical for success in the 21st century. Students sharpen their tenacity to overcome problems and challenges. They collaborate in team and had opportunities to communicate with original equipment manufacturer. As part of the assessment, the students are required to present their project using PowerPoint, video to capture their work processes, and computer-aided design of aircraft parts. As for integrity, the students develop good work ethics and learn professional integrity by accepting responsibilities. Students learn from their mistakes by seeking solutions to rectify them in a professional manner based on industry standards. Positive feedbacks from the students. The best experience that I've had to build an airplane has made me who I am today. Strengthens my passion to be an aerospace engineer. A very good experience. I now know what I want to do in the future. I've gained an insight of what it is like to work in the aviation industry. Troubleshooting helped me. I am more perseverance now. It prepares me for the challenges that I may face in the future. And now, a 2-minute video to capture the 4 years venture that we took. Enjoy. I'm happy to let you know that we have started another project-based learning to build a two-seater helicopter. Thank you for your time.